occiput around your mandible. You let everything be loose. Start wiggling your toes, wiggle your toes. Big breath in. Put your hands together a little tighter. Ooh. Oh, yeah. How far did you feel that?
About midway down my back.
Yeah.
Felt my pelvis pop too. That was
good.
right here, right side.
Let the head be loose.
Man, that was good.
You feeling all right?
Oh yeah, I feel great. Definitely feel a difference.
Is it what you expected?
It was. It definitely was. It definitely was. I felt that more than I ever felt that Y strap. It was amazing.